What's up everyone, welcome back to Turbo's Garage. Now in today's video, we're gonna focus on some performance now. So in the past two videos on the cheap C6, I've been focusing on the cosmetic, kind of seeing what I wanted to do and seeing the ultimate damage that the car pretty much has. And cosmetically it's gonna take a lot. So I'm gonna put the cosmetic stuff on the side and I'm gonna focus on performance. So today we're at Mad Hatter Garage and we're going to get the car dynoed. So we're gonna get a good baseline to see how much the power the car makes. And the car is 15 years old. It's a 2005 C6. Automatic, LS2, so it made 400 horsepower, 400 torque from the factory. That has a lot to probably be desired after 15 years and 126,000 miles. So we're gonna see pretty much what it makes, and if it kind of holds up to a good average where it should be, or if something is off, we're gonna be able to see it on the dyno, because the dyno is a very, very sensitive tool. So overall, today you're gonna see some performance stuff on this car. I have a lot of performance mods on the way. Some I already have, so I don't wanna kind of show you everything that I have to offer yet, but we're gonna get a good baseline on this car and see what it does. Now, a little update, a lot of guys have been seeing the 240, and a lot of people have known the 240 on the channel. People have been asking me, DM me questions all the time. Hey, are you keeping the 240? Are you gonna sell it because you have a Corvette now? Blah, blah, blah. This is still gonna be the race car. So the Corvette at the end of the day, it's a fun little street car. It has AC, blah, blah, blah. It's still pretty good. This is a very, very quick car, and I'm gonna keep this pretty much forever. Now, the reason you haven't seen it on the channel for the past around 2 months is me and Mad Hatter and Nigel, we've been diagnosing a brake issue where the brakes started to drag. I've replaced the front brakes, the rear brakes, it keeps on dragging. Turns out it was the master cylinder. It was kind of locking up a little bit. It just needed to be adjusted. So after spending $450, $500 in brakes, we just adjusted the master cylinder. Worked out perfectly fine. At the end of the day, I put new calipers all the way around, so I can't really be mad at that. It's just cheap insurance at the end of the day. So now the car really runs stupid hard. For whatever reason, the last time I had the car on the road, it was only making 8 pounds of boost. Now, for some reason, it's making 16. So you can see in these videos, this car is fucking ripping right now. Oh yeah, that thing moves. Cool. Roll onto it. Oh, you trying to do digs? So the next thing we need to do is solve the overboosting issue. If it's either overboosting or just the wastegate is too high, or the especially the boost controller has a different setting, we have to just solve this car out. So it's gonna take some time. And once this car is settled out, you're gonna see a specific video on this car just dragging everybody. So I got a whole bunch of races lined up. I know every time people see me, see this car on the channel, or people see me posted on Instagram, everybody's just hitting me up. Hey, you wanna go race this, wanna race that? So yeah, we're gonna hit some races real soon. Let me settle the car out so I don't die in it. And once we do that, we're gonna get this car on the road. But after that, let's get to the C6 and dyno this thing. It's a clean truck. Oh yeah. That color? Oh yeah. 351 Windsor. I'll rock this thing. I'll take it to the beach, smack on some holes. That's straight, straight, straight. Keep on coming back. Yeah. Hey. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Stop, 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 stop. No, good? I know, yeah, I know when to stop and they ain't screaming over there.
Third gear, 2,000 RPMs.
All right. Oh, traction system, let me. I already knew that was gonna kick in. I should have known. Hold it for 10 seconds, take it all the way off. There we go. Second. Third.
You're way past 2,000 there, buddy.
2,000 right there.
You gotta hold it.
Held.
Okay, drop it down to 1,500, roll into it.
Yeah.
But don't stab it hard because it's gonna downshift on you. So
1,500.
just steadily go more and more.
Alright.
Go.
It's in the 360s. That's pretty good. That's pretty healthy for a bone stock LS2. So the cheap C6 makes 370 to the wheels. That's pretty much normal. There's nothing out of the ordinary. There's no factory freak. This is just plain old LS2 auto. So, I mean, we know the drivetrain is working correctly. Paint not so much, but that's where it stands. So we're ready to mod this thing and see how much power we can make later on. So in the next videos, you guys are gonna see us tear this thing down, long tubes, some exhaust work, maybe cam and heads down the road. But that's how it sits right now. 370 to the wheels. Come forward a little bit more. Don't go off the edge. Come on, coming. Straight. So it survived the dyno, survived like 10 pulls. Maybe we have something here. Maybe it isn't all a scam. I think we got scammed, bruh.
Maybe.
We got scammed, man. It made 370 to the wheels.
Supposed to be 400 exactly. 400 at the crank, 400 at the wheels.
So today was a good day. The C6 made some power. It makes 400 horsepower, 400 torque at the crank bone stock. Now it made 370 to the wheels, which is with the drivetrain losses pretty much right on point. Maybe a little bit more than 400 horsepower because I do have a VRM intake and I do have a boiler exhaust. So as well, the 240 fucking runs hard. We gotta find why the bitch is over boosting the 16 pounds because at the end of the day, that's not really safe on pump gauge. It's still 93, so running 16 pounds of 93, it's probably pinging his ass off, so we probably need to chill out. So I don't have to buy another motor for this thing. But yeah, both of the cars are running good. Both of the lime green, shitty, why do every vehicle that I have that's fast is lime green with shitty paint, bro? That's my shit, bro. That's the Turbo's colors now. Exactly. Gotta change the whole profile picture now to hope you're lime green. Oh yeah. But the thing turned on though, totally 16 pounds.
Okay, that's nice.
It's done. It's nasty, bro. But oh yeah, today was a good day. Oh yeah, that thing moved.